Hello neighbors, Bill here with Addicted to Tone Incorporated, aka Mr.TakamineUSA. I'm going to show you a really easy trick today to remove the protective coating off the back of a tuning machine head. A lot of people don't even realize this is here. There's a plastic coating over that. And there's also one over your pick guard, most likely. This is a really easy way to get those off. Done thousands of these, and it's better than using your fingernails. Just get a piece of packing tape, all right? I'm just going to put it on the back, and boom, comes right off. Can you see that? Let's do another one. It's just so easy. Like I say, I've done thousands of these. When we get a shipment of new tuners in, I always go ahead and do this for people, because like I say, a lot of people don't even know these are on there. And the problem is, if you leave it on too long, it just doesn't want to come off. You end up having to kind of buff them off or use a solvent of some kind. Alright, there you go, just that quick and easy. Can you see them? All six. I wear glasses myself, but if you're a contact wearer, real easy way to get your contacts out, I would think. Alright, there we go, the packing tape trick. Have a blessed day. Talk to you next time.